These healthy pistachio cupcakes are soft, nutty, naturally sweetened and made with almond flour, no refined sugar, no white flour and no compromise on flavor. They are light but satisfying, perfectly moist and topped with a creamy pistachio cream cheese. In a bowl, whisk together 1½ cup of almond flour, ½ cup of a finely ground pistachio, 1 teaspoon of a baking powder, ½ teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Make sure the pistachios are finely ground. This keeps the crumb soft and even. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 large eggs with 1/3 cup of maple syrup, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of a vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Almond extract is optional. Mix everything really well. Now it's time to add dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Whisk together. You don't want runny batter, you want smooth scoopable mixture. Now it's time to bake your cupcakes. Start by preheating your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Bake it at 18 minutes until lightly golden and super soft. Now divide the batter evenly between the cups, filling them about 3/4 full. And like I said, bake 18 to 20 minutes until the tops are set and gently spring back. Let the cupcakes cool before frosting. Now for the cream cheese frosting, I am using ½ cup of light cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of crushed pistachio, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of pistachio paste. Mix everything really well. Whisk everything together. You can also add a splash of milk if needed. You don't want too light, too runny frosting. Now it's time to decorate your cupcakes. Let the cupcakes cool before frosting. Finish your cupcakes. Spread on top your frosting finished with crushed pistachios and enjoy these healthy, delicious pistachio cupcakes at home. They are simple, satisfying and made with real ingredients. You can feel good about it. Save this recipe, subscribe for more healthy desserts and I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.